Hey, welcome to Mrs. Stokes' online kindergarten class. I am really excited for what this course has in store for you and for your family and also for me. I have to kind of let you know as a disclaimer that this is my first time doing anything like this, so I'm really hoping that it goes without a hitch, but I'm sure that there are going to be some things that come up that I did not think about or that I wasn't sure of doing. So if there's anything that's not functioning like it should, or if you're having some difficulty with it, please reach out and I can try and help you problem solve. I also wanted to let you know that there are a lot of activities that are on here, and these activities are merely ideas. I do not want to add any more stress to families during an already stressful time. So please know that really the only requirements that I have is that you do at least 2 activities a week and that you post these activities. And maybe you could say, okay, I'm going to do 1 math activity a week or do 1 math activity a day. It's really whatever fits your family's schedule and whatever you would like to do. Some activities are online based where you'd have to watch something and then do something after. Some are just merely suggestions like making a piggy bank as a family or sorting money from a piggy bank as a family. I really hope that you have fun with this and that you are able to bond together as a family and get closer as a family as you go through these activities. And please let me know if you have any questions between between technology or what I'm asking, because I truly am here to help. Big things to remember is that I will be available on Zoom every day between 1 and 1:30, and I also sent out an email that has your child's individual Zoom meeting time with me once a week where they can read to me. If once we get going you realize that you'd like a different day or that you'd maybe like more time or less time, we can play with that. But I'm really looking forward to seeing each one of your faces this week and to hear how things are going for you. I'm sure that your kiddos have some big stories and big things that have happened in their lives between when I saw them last and now. Anyway, I really appreciate your support and your willingness to help your child with their education, and please again let me know what I can do to help you out.